भावे वीण भक्ती, भक्ती वीण मुक्ती, बळे वीण शक्ती बोलू नये, बळे वीण शक्ती बोलू नये, बळे वीण शक्ती बोलू नये. कैसे निदैवत प्रसन्न त्वरित, उगारा हे निवांत क्षण शिवाया, उगारा हे निवांत क्षण शिवाया, उगारा हे निवांत क्षण शिवाया. सायासे करसी प्रपंच दिननिशी, हरसी न भजसी कवण्या गुणे, हरिसी न भजसी कवण्या गुणे, हरिसी न भजसी कवण्या गुणे. ज्ञानदेव म्हणे हरि जप करणे, ज्ञानदेव म्हणे हरि जप करणे, ज्ञानदेव म्हणे हरि जप करणे. तुटेल धरणे प्रपंचाचे, तुटेल धरणे प्रपंचाचे, तुटेल धरणे प्रपंचाचे.
हरी मुखे म्हणा, 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 हरी मुखे म्हणा. पुण्याची गणना कोण करी, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी.
Shri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says in the first stanza of this abhang, if one does not have a strong sense of surrender to God, then it is futile to claim to be a devotee. And if there is no devotion in the mind, then liberation is also not possible. Just as it is meaningless to show off one's strength when it is lacking, similarly, it is meaningless to talk about devotion without the necessary emotions. Shri Jnaneshwar Maharaj further says in second stanza that if you want to know how to quickly please your deity, then I advise you to focus on remembering Shri Hari, that is God, with a calm mind and spend your time peacefully without wasting your energy on unnecessary pursuits. Shri Jnaneshwar Maharaj in the third stanza then addresses those who are entangled in worldly affairs and asks, while you are busy with your worldly duties day and night, why do you not chant the name of Shri Hari at all? What is the use of that? In the final stanza, Shri Jnaneshwar Maharaj advises, even while living in the world, if you chant the name of Shri Hari, the bonds of the world will gradually loosen, and the one who chants the name of Shri Hari will definitely escape the web of worldly attachments. Therefore, let us chant Hari Mukhe Mhana, Hari Mukhe Mhana, Punyachi Gadana Kona Kari.
हरी मुखे म्हणा,